Viewer discretion is advised.
Mister, stop.
Heading to Ocean City. We have the condo for the weekend. We're gonna see how nice it is. Oh man. Oh man. Wow. Whew. Man, that was all backed up for just a fender bender. Yo, crazy. Whew. What a way to start your vacation. Picked her up from work. We are heading to the boardwalk to eat and what? Eat. And candles. We on the boardwalk. Got some cheese. Now to get some fries. Got the fries. Time to add them together.
Rosita? All right, welcome to the show. Everybody give Rosita a big round of applause for helping me out. We'll be back in 10 minutes. I'm just joking. 5 minutes tops. No, here we go. I almost didn't make it to the show today because I was pulled over by a police officer. Everybody give me an aww. He asked me if I had any weapons. I said, yes, sir. He said, get out of the car. Why do you have these? I said, because I'm a juggler. He said, prove it, juggle. So I started to juggle. The funniest thing happened. This old man, he came walking up the sidewalk. He stopped. He watched. He looked at me, looked at the police officer, looked back at me, and he said the funniest thing I've ever heard in my life. He said, man, Ocean City sobriety tests keep getting harder and harder. Here we do. Whoa. Shut up, you can't do it.
Buy a whole bunch of candles. Time to eat more food. Got more food to fill us up. This was a great night. So we heading to breakfast and then possibly the air show. I feel okay from the shot, but she doesn't feel that good. So we tried Bayside Skillets. Found out that they only sell omelets and grapes. You want me to take a picture? I'll take a picture. Hold on. So, after we watched a movie, it's almost 5 o'clock and we decided to play some mini golf. You ready to play? Trying out new food wasn't such a good idea, but with mini golf, you can never go wrong trying out new mini golfs.
So they're supposed to walk around.
we decided to go to Old Pro Golf, 136th Street, the inside course. Yeah.
Come on, Blueberry, you can do it.
Oh. I'll show you how the pro does it.
No, he's a Blueberry. He's not no pro. Right, Mr. Blueberry? You did it too. What was that, 3? I almost fell and I missed it. What was that, 10? Oh, I can't count. I'm loopy. On cold medicine. You know, there's things going around. I was about to say, why is there a black doggy running over here?
There's a what?
A black doggy. I wanted to pet it. But it's not a doggy.
Show them what you mean.
I did. But I was running over to see Blueberry over here.
I just tinkled. Stop it.
Oh, so close.
Next is we are going to hit some food joints. We decided on some Chinese because you can't go wrong with some Chinese. How was this vacation?
No condo.
We parked and we're going to the air show. Well, you know, you ate too much when your chair breaks. Ain't that right?
Yes, snapped all in a bunch of places.
Change the what?
We hungry? We going to the dough roller. Yeah. Well, goodbye to Ocean City. Be heading home and going to sleep in a nice comfy bed. don't forget to subscribe because who knows what's gonna happen this year. Oh yeah.